Next up, manufacturing category. May I call upon Sunitha Rani, Vysetty. 20 years of experience at the helm of Think Grey Ads. Mrs. Sunitha Rani stands as a successful director, respected by peers and clients alike. Her entrepreneurial journey is an inspiring story of transforming a vision into reality, building and thriving businesses from the ground, and consistently delivering excellence in a highly competitive industry. Sunitha Rani, Vysetty.
I am Vysetty Sunitha Rani. I got award in the manufacturing jute bags and Think Grey Ads Private Limited. We are the indoor and outdoor printing solutions. We have the office, and happy Women's Day to all of you, and encouraging the HyBiz Tv to giving this award.